Hi guys, my name is Christina. I'm a nutritional therapist and I upload delicious recipes and lifestyle tips every week. If you're new to my channel and you're interested in these topics, then do subscribe to be notified when a new video goes live. In this episode, we're talking about achieving hair growth and improving the quality of our hair. I have inherited my hair from my mom. My mom and we have struggled and we have tried everything to make our hair stronger and also to grow our hair. Our hair is thin and also falls very easily, so we needed to look into, what we can do. My mom has tried everything from shampoos to hair masks to anything you can imagine from hair treatment perspective. And she found a way, which I will share with you, that she just swears by. So the other day that we were talking on the phone, she said that she has aloe vera, she grows aloe vera in her house, and she uses it. So she cuts the leaves and gets the gel out of the leaf, and she uses it as a leave-on conditioner. So she massages it in her hair and leaves it on. She goes to bed like that, wakes up, because aloe vera is not as greasy, so she can go away with it. And she said that within a week, she has noticed a difference. Her hair is not falling as frequently as they used to, and also they're stronger. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It has also similar makeup to hair protein. So when you put aloe vera on your hair, it rejuvenates them, making them more elastic. So it provides them with more elasticity and thus preventing them from breakage. If you don't have the aloe vera at home, the plant, then that's okay, because there are other ways of acquiring the gel, or you can also use aloe vera juice in your hair. These are something that you can buy in your local health store, actually in Amazon and on eBay. I have also started consuming collagen protein powder. That's because collagen exists in our bones, in our skin, in our nails and our hair, and it promotes hair growth, it promotes a good health of our bones, and it also helps with elasticity of the skin. However, as we grow, the production of collagen slows in our bodies, and that's why we see more wrinkles, saggy skin, also weaker bones, weaker nails and weaker hair. I use a flavorless collagen protein powder, which I will put in my tea, in my porridge, in my smoothies, and I won't feel it at all. I won't feel the taste, so it's easier to consume that way. If you don't want to buy the powder, you don't have the capacity to do so, that's okay. You can also find collagen protein in bone broth. So if you can make bone broth, that will be really, really useful. I also make homemade hair masks, which are made from aloe vera for all the reasons mentioned, coconut oil, because coconut oil helps strengthening the hair, it improves the quality of the hair, it also volumizes them. I think it's quite obvious how volumized my hair is right now, and it hydrates them as well. I also add half a lemon juice in this mask because it strengthens hair follicles, ensuring that hair doesn't fall that easily. Lemon also contains vitamin B and folic acid, which volumize the hair. The easiest way to make this mask is melt a little bit of coconut oil, add aloe vera, add the lemon juice, massage it on your scalp, leave it on for a couple of hours, and then wash your hair a couple of times, and you should be good. So these were the things that I recommend that you do to strengthen your hair, but also obviously your diet does affect the quality of the hair and also your stress level. So if you can practice downshifting, that will be really, really useful. because it improves the quality of the hair and also helps you relax. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment on the section below, share it with your friends, and do subscribe because I upload new content every week. See you in the next episode.